It's a 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLS. The standards set by the GL class meld with the standards set by the S class for another step forward in luxury. The interior is richly appointed, the performance dignified, and its ease luxurious. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, multi-zone climate control, automated parking sensors, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, front heated and ventilated bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and intercooled turbo i6 engine. High style, high performance, Mercedes-Benz. Hurry in today for a test drive.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,